Hi everyone, this is Jair, and today we're going to go over how to create a new project in CICON software. Firstly, having CICON open, you want to navigate to the toolbar at the top of the window. Now within the Home tab, which should be selected by default, you'll see an option labeled as New Project. Now additionally, on the top left, you also have an option labeled File. If you select this, you can also see there's an option here labeled as New Project as well, which you can also do this if you'd like. Now going back, we're going to go ahead and select New Project. This is what we're going to do to begin the process. So a new window will appear, and this will display the available modules and CPU types CICON supports at the moment. Here's where you can select the correct module or the correct CPU type you're using for your project. In this case, just for this example, I'll be using the PLC S, but you can select anything else if you like. Once we selected the correct option, we're going to go ahead and click Next. Now moving on to the second step, we have the project properties. Here we can change the project path as well as the CPU type. The CPU type is the window we were on previously. You can go ahead and change the CPU or module type if you'd like. Go back. We can go ahead and also change the name of the project. I would call it Project for this case, as well as the developer, which is myself. So I'm gonna leave it as that by default. We also have these options down here that you can select. These are if you're using a hybrid device. And in the case that you're not using a hybrid device, you can go ahead and move on. We also have a security setting. If you go ahead and select that, you can go ahead and add a password if you'd like to your project if necessary. Go ahead and close that. Now at the bottom of the window, we also have an option called Connections. If you click this will pop up a window that allows you to select the preferred way you would like to connect to your PLC via your desktop. Or you could also select Simulator if you don't have a PLC on you right now. Go ahead and close this. Now once we have selected all our project details correctly, we can go ahead and click OK. Now that we've clicked OK, we have successfully created a project within CICON. Now, if you'd like to go on that window that we were on previously, you can go over here to the project window and right-click the project. Go ahead and click Project Properties. This will bring up the window that we were on previously. Go ahead and close that. Now, you've successfully created a project using CICON. Thank you for watching.